it's your girl Daiya back out again with another video, and today's video is going to be a Valentine's Day makeup tutorial. So this is out here for all my girlies that are probably planning on going on a date with their significant other or someone that they care about or love, or maybe friend, I don't know. But this is just a nice makeup tutorial for pretty much Valentine's Day. It don't even have to be that you're going out on a date. It could be because you're just going out or you just want to try this look. Either or, don't matter. Nobody judging. But this is basically what this video is about. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. And if you want to see how I got this look, make sure you guys keep on watching.